Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to convert MKV to MP4 using VLC media player. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up VLC into your desktop. From here, just simply go to media and then go to convert/save over here. And now just simply click on add. And from here, just simply select an MKV file. As you can see, the item type is MKV. And now just simply open. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on convert/save over here. And from here, just simply click on this icon over here and make sure it is on mp4/mov over here. Now from here, just simply provide a profile name. I'm gonna go for YouTube and now click on create. And now from here, just simply click on this and just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here YouTube. And now just simply go ahead and click on browse over here and just simply select a destination file where you are going to save it. And I'm just going to name the file and click on save and click on start. And from here, it will convert into mp4. As you can see, just simply wait for it to load up. And now after that, just simply click on minimize over here and just simply go to the location where you convert it. And as you can see, it is now on MP4 and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about converting MKV to MP4 using VLC Media Player. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching guys. See ya!